Hey, awesome friend. I've always said that diving into programming is like exploring a mysterious jungle, unpredictable and full of surprises. Today, I thought I'd take you on a little adventure through the lush canopy of prime numbers in Python. It's perfect for someone just stepping into IT, no prior trek required. Imagine you're at the entrance, peeking through the twisted vines, and suddenly, the concept of prime numbers fascinates you. You think, how can I find these mathematical secrets hidden among integers? That's the spirit I want to channel as we learn to check prime numbers with Python. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and open our hand-drafted Python manual, shall we? But before we begin, always remember this handy piece of wisdom: simplicity is key in prime hunting. We aim for minimal coding elegance, friends, no unnecessary complexity here. We start by defining our mission, creating a prime checker. A prime checker in Python is like a Sherlock Holmes detective, but for numbers, deducing whether a number can barely stand on its own or it relies on 2 and any subsequent even numbers. Here's a simple algorithm to do just that. Python definite is_prime, if number happy smiley 1, return false for I in range is equal to 0, return false I plus is equal to 6, return true by looping only up to the square root and checking for multiples of 2 and 3. Our function skips lots of numbers. Now our prime checker feels like a fast-talking jungle guide leading us through the thicket smoothly. But what if we want to check all these primes in our range superfast? Python gives us a tool called concurrency. Imagine multiple detectives working in pairs and tackling the job simultaneously. Using Python's concurrent programming tools, we can divide the workload among threads or utilize a process pool in parallel. But let's keep this beginner's journey simple. How about we create a helper function that uses our prime checker, and we'll explore more sophisticated methods in advanced courses. Python definite check_primes_in_range, prime_numbers is equal to for number in range, if is_prime_optimized, prime_numbers dot append return prime_numbers. This function marches through each number in our range and keeps only the prime ones in a list we just call prime_numbers. We are halfway through now. We can enhance our speedy prime finder by using a technique called memoization to avoid recalculating our past prime results. Memoization feels like using a map to remember previous paths through the jungle to save time and effort. Here, let's store our prime results in a dictionary to reference them later. Python definite check_primes_with_memoization. If primes is none, primes is equal to if start end, return primes if not primes. Hash if our list of primes is not predefined, primes is equal to if is_prime_optimized. Primes dot append next_prime_start is equal to start plus 1 if start end, else start. Return check_primes_with_memoization. As you follow my lead through this part, remember that our prime quest isn't just about finding numbers, it's about understanding the patterns that nature and mathematics present to us. You've done incredibly well diving into this jungle of prime numbers using Python. Isn't it mesmerizing how each prime number seems so simple and yet holds profound properties? Oh, before I forget, always keep exploring, pushing past known territories and finding even quicker ways, or perhaps leveraging distributed computing in the future. These expeditions will continuously improve the tools we have and empower more complex and groundbreaking discoveries. As I sign off this little chat with you, let's make our adventure shared by others as well. I invite you to visit my channel, neeraj.qzz.io, subscribe and share this tutorial. It's been an absolute pleasure having this adventure with you. Stay smart and see you around on the next Python trek. Visit neeraj.qzz.io, subscribe to TechLab, and let's continue our Python journey in exploring and conquering more programming mysteries together, with curiosity as our compass. Keep on coding, my friend, keep on coding.